The Keys to Financial Success Teacher's Manual is your roadmap to the entire personal finance course. It contains lesson procedures and all of the details about how to bring all of the curriculum materials together in your classroom. The Council for Economic Education's Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive contains over 1,000 lessons, including all of the lessons from Financial Fitness for Life and Learning, Earning, and Investing used in Keys. You can get a copy of the Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive by direct purchase from the Council for Economic Education, www.councilforeconed.org, or by attending our in-person Keys to Financial Success training in Philadelphia, or at a Virtual Economics 4.5 training offered by a state council or Center for Economic Education near you. We've created a special add-in for the Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive. The add-in folder contains all the handouts and other resources used in the course, and an interactive version of the Keys to Financial Success Teacher's Manual that lets you pull up any hyperlinked document with a click. You can easily download and unzip the file containing the add-in folder. Follow these directions carefully. 1. Save the zip file keys-to-financial-success.zip to your computer. 2. Insert your Council for Economic Education Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive into a USB port on your computer. 3. Unzip the Keys thumbdrive.zip file into the main directory of your Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive. The result should be that you now have a folder called Keys to Financial Success in the main directory of your thumb drive. 4. Enter the Keys to Financial Success folder and you will find a subfolder and a PDF file. The Master CD folder contains all of the materials not on the original Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive, but referenced in the Keys to Financial Success Teacher's Manual. The Keys Manual Thumb Drive PDF file is the interactive version of the Teacher's Manual. 5. The result should be a screen that looks like this if you are a Mac user, and this if you are using a PC. 6. Open the Keys Manual thumbdrive.pdf file to access the interactive Keys to Financial Success Teacher's Manual. The document will open in Adobe Acrobat Reader. 7. The links throughout this manual will give you direct access to each of the handouts, visuals, and procedures needed to teach your own Keys course. Click any underlined highlighted link or thumbnail image to access that resource. The combination of the Virtual Economics 4.5 Thumb Drive with the Keys to Financial Success add-in is ideal. It provides you with the easiest and most organized access to everything you need to teach the Keys course in your own classroom.